To reconnect your HP Envy 6400 series printer to Wi-Fi, enter printer setup mode. On the back of the printer, press and hold the wireless button below the power button for 3 seconds, then release. A purple light on the front indicates the printer is in setup mode. Connect using HP Smart App. On your phone, open the HP Smart App. Download it from your App Store if needed. Tap the plus or add printer button. Select Set up a new printer and choose HP Envy 6400 series. Follow the in-app prompts. The app will automatically transfer your Wi-Fi password to the printer. When the printer connects, the light will turn solid blue and you'll hear a sound. Tap Done in the app. Complete setup on printer screen. Press the flashing information I button on the printer's control panel. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish registration. You can skip optional steps like HP Plus sign up if desired.